Are you lost in confusion with all the decisions out there of what diet to follow? You have this diet and that diet. Well, I have 3 questions that are going to clear up your confusion so that you can make the best choice for your body, along with a delicious, nutritious 2-ingredient cherry banana ice cream recipe, raw vegan style. Stay till the end for that delicious ice cream recipe. Now, if you haven't been here and you don't know who I am, I'm Darlene Loves, and this is the Master Food Artist. I have been vegan for 23 years and raw vegan for 17. I've enjoyed this lifestyle so much. I've written 3 books about it and had a catering company and been educating people like yourself so that you can feel good from the inside out and use your superpowers to go out there in the world and make the world a better place for us all. So if that's something you're interested in, please hit that subscribe button and of course ring that bell, because we all love to ring bells. And let's get started with the 3-part quiz that you can use when you're choosing into eating a different way and enjoying a different lifestyle. And the first question I like to use, is it a win-win-win? And these are questions you can just ask to yourself. Is this a win for the environment? Is this a win for the other creatures on the planet? And is this a win for me? Those are what I filtered through when I started eating a vegan diet. And I found out how nutritious it was for my body, and it was a win there. And I found out how kind it was to the other creatures on the planet. And then I felt really good about myself. And then when I found out that I save water and the pollution that happens from animals and how it contaminates the water, I was feeling really good about myself. But I want you to do your own research and look into this yourself. The next question I ask to make my decision is, I ask myself, is this simple? Simple, quick, like this recipe. Yummy. Let's have some cherry banana ice cream. Let's go in the kitchen. So you're just gonna take some frozen bananas, about 5 to 6 frozen bananas, put them in a blender or food processor, a couple of cups of cherry, and I'm using caramel stevia here, but you don't have to use anything, or you could just use vanilla. And then you blend it up. How simple. Then I'm topping it here with a chocolate stevia yumminess that I love, and I'll leave a link in below. Delicious! Cheers! Again, are those recipes simple and easy to follow, and do they fit into the win-win-win? Number 3, the question that I ask myself is, why am I doing this? Am I doing this for health? Am I doing it for weight loss? Am I doing it because it's the latest thing? Because my spouse is doing it? What are your reasons? Those are for you to know. What I inspire within you is to ask yourself, why are you eating this way? And when you know that it's for a sustainable, long time, and you can keep it up, then, and I have 3 tips for you next week on how you can keep it up, so be sure to tune in for that, then you know it's a win for you all the way around. Now, I personally eat a vegan diet because I feel like it's a win, not just for me. It's a win for the environment. It's a win for me on the long haul, for the planet, so that I can go out there and inspire people to live from a basis of kindness to all things, right? To make positive change in the world. That's how we're gonna do it together. So next week, I have 3 tips that have allowed me to eat a vegan/raw vegan diet for the past 23 years. And I'm gonna share them with you along with another delicious recipe, a sorbet. Now be sure to head on over for the recipe within this video and for more tips and recipes. And be sure to get all the free gifts that are over there for you. So until next time, remember, eat simply, eat a win-win-win, and I loves you.